I'm going to announce my mini giveaway first. I decided to post my giveaway every month on my community, but it seems like it's not seeing. We are doing this video for false lashes, guys, and this is what really excited. I wanted to see, is that really worth it that I spend that much money on these false lashes? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to announce my mini giveaway first. It's because most of you guys not checking my community. In the past I decided to post my giveaway every month on my community, but it seems like it's not seeing. I wanted to show you guys this one and the brushes, guys, and I'll show you guys each one of this so you guys can see, and also will be posting it into my community. I will refreshing it, but if I didn't refresh it, just scroll down, it's gonna be in there so you guys can see. But anyway, we are doing this video for false lashes, guys, and this is what really excited. I wanted to see, is that really worth it that I spend that much money on these false lashes? Because you guys know how much I love false lashes. I wear false lashes pretty much every day, and of course except when I go sleep, I don't wear false lashes. But anyway, guys, I have this really narrow eye shape. It's kind of hard for me to find something magnetic lashes. Also, it's really hard for me to just trust false lashes or magnetic lashes, because if I'm traveling somewhere and then that false lashes come out, I'll be really pissed off. I usually spend between $5 to $10 something for false lashes, and there's a glue, and that's what I'm used to. But this one I spent $30 and $38, so the total of $68 for this one lashes. I've been seeing this on my Facebook and my Instagram. This is magnetic false lashes. I got this and this one. I'm not sure how this will work in my eyes, because my eyes is a different shape and I can't find the right. I think this is a very close to the shape of my eyes, because as you guys can see, my eyes is not that like wider. Most of the lashes that I seen yesterday in the store are kind of wider. This is a Vixen. I'm really excited to try this. That is the look. Then we do have liquid liner in here. This is the magnetic liner. I seen so many reviews on other YouTuber or in the Facebook and Instagram how really good and it holds really well. I wanted to see if this would actually hold for me and my Asian eyes. Let's try it. I do have false lashes in here, but it's not this one, so I'm gonna remove it and then we're going to try this one. Okay, I'm going to start with this. I did my eye wing for this one, and it said I have to wait for a little bit, like maybe 80 seconds to dry out before I can put the false lash. So let's do the other side, guys. You know, in fairness, guys, this liquid eyeliner, it does actually have a lot of stuff when I did my line, and still wet. I gotta wait. Okay, guys, it seems like it's dry. Let's try this one, guys. Okay, now let's try the other half. So what do you guys think? It is definitely different for me, but it does hold well. it's holding really good in there, guys. I have my blow dryer. I wanted to check, see how this gonna hold well. It is pretty strong already. Matibay na siya. Pero, what if, let's see, kung gaano siya katibay. Okay, try natin. See. Ayan, guys. It did hold really good, guys. I guess I have to find a little bit smaller or for my eyes, but this one it's fine. It looks okay naman siya, guys. Kasi hindi lang yata ako sanay ng medyo maano kasi siya, medyo mahaba siya dito sa dulo. It holds really well to the magnetics. It's stick in there. As you guys can see right here, you see how it holds really well. It's worth it because you don't really have to worry about getting your lashes fall, you know, while you are in the wind or something. Overall, guys, I like it. Kung mahilig kayo, guys, mag false lashes and then ayaw nyo lang mag lagay-lagay ng glue or something, this is actually, guys, really worth it. It is kind of expensive. I mean, if you're gonna spend like $10 every or $5 to $10 every time on your lashes, and then you can wear for like few times, or getting something like this is actually like probably, guys, save you money because this one you can use it maybe 10 times or 20 times. It depends how you want it for eye wing or your lashes to hold. The more you put, I think it holds better. But overall, I do really like it because now I'm testing it that it's actually really well and holding there. So I guess I will try a different size for my eyes. This one, it's okay. I think I just need a little bit shorter or a little bit not too wide. This is actually wider. Well, anyway, guys, I do have a giveaway, guys, this coming up March, but I'm going to start it now since this video release. This one is just a small giveaway because I try to do a giveaway every month, but it's on my community, but it seems like no one really see it. So now I'm going to add it into the videos all the time now, guys, so that you guys will be updated. Anyway, March giveaway, guys, is gonna be this one. This is a giveaway Hair Plus Vitamin B Fresh Press Sheet Mask, and this one is a brush cleaner. And then I do have cosmetic brush collection from Kala. This is the one. This is a really good brush set, guys. Great for the beginner. And then I do have a cookies palette. This is the color for the cookies palette, guys. It has that really beautiful bold color. This one is the contour series, and this is the palette. So you have all this one, guys, for a giveaways. The description, guys, below on this video, so make sure, guys, check it out. And also this is on my community, so if you guys haven't checked this one on my community, check that so you guys know what is in here. Also, guys, but the winner for the last giveaway is also on my community, so check it out. Also, if you want to win this amazing makeup set, just check the description. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now.